A few days ago, the new release of Bootstrap Studio 7.0.2 came out. Again, it's for the main Windows, Mac and Linux operating systems. And this is a very interesting release. What's new, fixed problems, etc. Old releases 6. I'm not even sure whether I've actually used 6. When I've gone over the videos that I've done even recently, it seems to be 5 that I've used, and it's not really. It's easy to understand really because it only came out in August the 20th. Anyway, so if we go to the new release, so this is it, and this I think looks absolutely fabulous. I think this is the best looking for definite. Anyway, so some things that's new, and they've done a website. They've done a video about a few changes as well. Anyway, so we have these project folio, startup, modern, and timeless new themes. I'm not sure if every one of them is, but anyway, 2 of them are for blogs. Definitely the timeless one is. I've never seen them actually on any version I've used, so I'm maybe just a little bit behind. But anyway, these are very, very interesting. So we'll go into it and see what we think. So maybe if we just put timeless there and we'll create that. And so again, this looks very, very slick. I think it's when you actually start from the default, this is down like in usual Bootstrap Studio editions. But all the interface at the top there looks great. It's just absolutely sublime. One of the best interfaces I think I've seen for a while. So you have this. What were they on about? I think you can you drag something or other? They were on about that you're able to, I don't know, put one on top of the other. I'm not sure. I've only watched the video that they did once. Personally, I like the left and the right having information. It's the same with video editors or photo editors or anything like that. And if there's any questions that you want or something doing on this new version, just get in touch. What I have done as well is I've come down, where are we at? On here I've done a few posts, like text posts. I've got which version of Bootstrap Studio do you have? Version 5 and post 5, version 4 and pre-version 4. And this is basically because you get asked questions sometimes privately as well about would you make a full website? Well, I've done a full website before, but that's with earlier versions and that. It's no good if people are still using earlier versions because they're still good enough, you know. Not the very first ones, but you know, 3 and onwards are all right. And again, with this new release that's come out, do you use blogs? So here's one of the theme here about one of the blogs. And forget it's absolutely beautiful to look at. And, you know, I mean, that's always nice to use when you think that. The thing is I want to know whether people do actually use blogs still, because everybody that I'm associated with don't use websites very much at all. And often, as many people I know that, you know, they don't even have computers. And I'm a computer person. I'm not so much a phone or a tablet. I use them, but not to a large extent. And I'm just wondering, is it a country thing or whatever? And if you see here, this is my history on Brave, Chess, YouTube, Instagram, Wikipedia, and basically this is just my. I go on Amazon Prime, I go on Audible, I go on Amazon Photos, and basically there's very little. I spend most of my time on YouTube, just listening and watching things. But this is Tesco banking systems, you know, for you people who don't know Tesco, it's an online shop for food. And that's basically it, an email on that. And I don't really go on people's websites, even though, you know, I'm trying to promote them and that. I don't really go on people's websites. If you've got any thoughts on that, you know, just say in this video. But anyway, that's it for now. But it's a very interesting addition that they've come out with there, and gorgeous interface. So tell me your thoughts. Thanks for watching.